Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi, selamat sejahtera. Today I will talk about the aviation industry segment. What is the whole ecosystem of the aviation industry or aerospace industry? So you can look from here, we begin from design certification, okay, design certification of the aircraft component. So those are the initial industry, the initial segment of the industry, which is design and certification. Some company just doing the design, they're not doing the certification. They may be doing just initial product, or they just doing once-off product. For example, Bird Rotten have designed and manufacture several aircraft, but they are not certified because those are special mission aircraft or experimental aircraft. So they're just doing the design. Then if you have the design, you certify the design, for you to be able to get the type certificate. For the aircraft to be awarded with type certificate, they have to go for the certification. In certification, the aircraft must comply with all the certification basis, which was agreed with the Civil Aviation Authority, basically authority who issuing the type certificate. Why we need the type certificate? Because we need the type certificate is a prerequisite for the certificate of airworthiness. So for commercial high and reward flight, the aircraft should have certificate of airworthiness, valid certificate of airworthiness. Without that certificate, the aircraft will not get the certificate of airworthiness. The best they may get experimental certificate, which is not for commercial or high and reward. Once you have the type certificate, you go for the production. So mean that you have a product certified, you already have the type design data, which we transfer to the production organization. They will make parts component and assemble the aircraft or engine or propeller as one complete assembly. And then once they're completed, then obviously you have a complete product. There will be a customer, so airlines operator will buy the aircraft. So it will go for operation. So primarily in aviation industry, the operation is flying the aircraft, which is the airline. However, for you to be able to fly the aircraft, there are many other segments, other sectors. You need to have airports or aerodrome. So there is aerodrome services, this aerodrome company. Then you have an organization to manage the navigation, traffic. So we have air traffic services. And we have an organization to do the ground handling. So those are ground handler. And those are basically the main purpose, the main industry in the operation, which is aircraft, is airline, or aircraft operator airline. So that's why we put AOC, Air Operator Certificate. Company with the AOC, they can fly scheduled flight to carry passenger and cargo. However, for them to fly the aircraft, they have to have other support. They have to have the airport, they have to have the ATC, traffic controller, they have to have these ground handling services. So in order to keep the aircraft flying, so you have to maintain the aircraft according to the maintenance program. So you have to have a company to do the maintenance, maintain the repair of organization to carry out the maintenance program as per developed, certified by CAMO, Continuing Awareness Management Organization. So this company, Continuing Awareness Management Organization, will prepare the maintenance schedule, maintenance program of the aircraft for individual aircraft. Then they will go for the MRO to get the maintenance done according to the maintenance program. And if they have any problem in terms of repair, there's a defect repair or they need modification, they will go back to the DOE. DOE will do the design data. Design data come back to the MRO, MRO will embody. So those are the work of CAMO to ensure the aircraft is worthy. They manage all the aircraft maintenance program, all the check, any AD outstanding, any SB mandatory required to be embodied on the aircraft, they managed by the CAMO. Overall, everything should have a competent person. So people working in this segment of industry must be competent, which is the competent person provided by this a training organization. So this training organization will provide the training, provide the skill, provide the knowledge skill, and also some company provide the experience by attachment to them for the organization, for the aviation industry will have a competent person to work in the industry for the industry to be safe. Thank you.